This is what blew me away, and I always try to make sure we stop and recognize and tell you guys thank you. Hi everybody, this is Zane with Python Basics, and want to recognize I guess a milestone. I'd been looking at the subscriber count in the past 28 days and was kind of blown away by it, so I started looking, and I have gotten more subscribers in the past 28 days than I got in the first 2 years of the channel, something like that. So I clicked over to the past 365 days, and this is what blew me away. And I always try to make sure we stop and recognize and tell you guys thank you, because this is I would have never, I don't know, I guess I saw that we were, but in the past, so if you look, let's see, is it this one? So here's everything all together. The old one does it live. And so 129 for the 3 years and 3 weeks. And in the past year, it's 100,000 views. And I just want to make sure I always take a second and tell you guys thank you, because it's you guys watching these. I know these videos are not easy to find because they're buried, and we're working through that. We're moving up. A lot of them are suggested, but there's still a lot more that aren't, but in due time. So I just want to make sure that you guys know how much I appreciate it. You guys digging through the comments that I hear. You don't know how long it took me to find this. I'm appreciative because I understand how long it took for you to find it, and I know your time is very valuable. So I just wanted to say thank you. Make sure you guys absolutely always understand how appreciative I am of all of your time, because this is just crazy. So just wanted to take a quick second, and we'll have we'll just keep going, and we're getting there. Lots of, I just can't believe it. We had a record last week, earlier in the week, 24 hours of watch time. So again, and you guys are sharing these like absolute crazy. So it's almost time for the YouTube creator email to come out, and I really kind of see where everything is. So as always, thank you guys. Awesome comments, wonderful supportive comments, great requests, and we're going from there. So please drop any comments, questions, any video requests down below. And if you know anybody who's wanting to learn Python, please share this with them, because I want to help them and save them the pain that I experienced in the journey. So thank you as always. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.